Amid the brutal and evolving battlefield of Ukraine, where cutting-edge weaponry is constantly tested under real combat conditions, Russia's latest generation main battle tank, the T-90M Proryv breakthrough, is steadily asserting itself as one of the most formidable armored assets at the front. Built upon the foundation of the legendary T-90 platform, the T-90M has undergone a comprehensive modernization process. It features the advanced Relict explosive reactive armor system for enhanced protection and boasts superior firepower, including the ability to launch anti-tank guided missiles directly through its main gun. Modern digital battlefield systems further enhance its operational capabilities. Combining high survivability, versatile offensive power, and adaptability to harsh combat environments, the T-90M Proryv has become a new symbol of Russian armored strength in the protracted Ukraine conflict. With deployment of the T-14 Armada still facing hurdles and remaining limited, the T-90M has emerged as one of the most advanced and battle-ready main battle tanks currently fielded by Moscow. The T-90M Proryv, sometimes referred to as Proryv 3, represents a significant leap in the modernization of Russia's T-90 main battle tank fleet and is regarded as the most advanced main battle tank currently in service with the Russian military. Development of the T-90M began in the early 2010s under the Proryv 3 program, following the Proryv 2 variant, which corresponds to the T-90MS. The first prototype was completed in 2016, and the tank made its public debut during Russia's Zapad 2017 military exercises. The core objective behind the T-90M's development is to comprehensively upgrade existing T-90 and T-90A tanks, introducing major improvements in firepower, protection, and electronics, effectively bringing the platform in line with other top-tier main battle tanks around the world. The T-90 marks a new chapter in Russia's tank development history, becoming the first main battle tank line produced almost entirely in the post-Soviet era. Its origins trace back to the 1980s, when Soviet engineers conducted a major overhaul of the T-72B, a key element of the Warsaw Pact's armored forces. Initially designated as the T-72BU, the project was later renamed T-90 under President Boris Yeltsin, symbolizing Russia's first tank following the dissolution of the Soviet Union. Weighing between 46 and 48 tons, the T-90 measures 9.6 meters in length, 3.78 meters in width, and 2.22 meters in height. Notably, like its Soviet predecessors, the T-90 is smaller and significantly lighter than NATO counterparts from the 1980s and 1990s. Western tanks such as the Leopard 2 typically weigh between 62 and 74 tons and can reach heights of up to 3 meters. In terms of firepower, the T-90 is armed with the 125mm 2A46 smoothbore gun featuring a barrel length of L48. This battle-proven weapon has seen widespread use not only on various Russian tanks, but also on platforms deployed by Ukraine and China. Complementing its main armament, the T-90 is also equipped with either a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun or a 12.7mm heavy machine gun, providing effective countermeasures against soft targets and low-flying aerial threats. Some assessments suggest that the T-90's main gun and its variants offers a certain advantage over the German-made 120mm RH-120 L44 smoothbore cannon found on the Leopard 2, particularly in terms of effective range. The T-90's gun is capable of striking targets at distances of up to 4,000 meters, approximately 500 meters farther than its German counterpart. The noticeable size difference between the T-90 and its Western counterparts stems from a distinct design philosophy rooted in post-World War II Soviet military doctrine. Prioritizing a compact profile, the T-90 was engineered for enhanced maneuverability, particularly in constrained environments such as forests and mountainous terrain. This smaller footprint also contributes to greater operational range, reduced fuel consumption, and improved mobility across natural obstacles like rivers and bridges. The T-90M Proryv, meaning breakthrough, marks a new chapter in the evolution of the T-90 main battle tank series, standing as the most advanced and comprehensive variant to date. Compared to the original T-90, the T-90M introduces a series of revolutionary upgrades with a clear focus on enhanced firepower, improved protection, and cutting-edge electronics, elevating its battlefield performance to a new level in the context of modern warfare. One of the most striking changes in the T-90M is its entirely new turret module, featuring an advanced multi-layered armor configuration that offers superior resistance against a wide range of anti-tank threats. Significantly, crew survivability has been greatly improved by relocating ammunition storage outside the main crew compartment, an essential design shift that reduces the risk of catastrophic internal explosions and increases the likelihood of crew survival in the event of a direct hit. At the core of the T-90M's firepower is the 125mm 2A82 main gun, an advanced cannon closely related to the one mounted on Russia's next-generation super tank, the T-14 Armata. This shared component underscores Russia's ongoing effort to integrate cutting-edge technologies across its main battle tank fleet. The 2A82 offers superior accuracy and supports a wide array of modern munitions, including guided anti-tank missiles, significantly extending the tank's effective range and battlefield versatility. Another standout feature is the Kalina automated fire control system. This advanced suite integrates modern sensors and processors to enable rapid, precise detection, tracking, and target engagement, even under poor weather conditions or at night. Complementing its main armament, the T-90M is also equipped with a remote-controlled 12.7mm cord heavy machine gun mounted on the turret, allowing operators to engage low-flying aerial or ground threats safely from within the armored cabin. The T-90M's battlefield survivability is significantly enhanced by the integration of the reactive protection system, designed to detect and neutralize incoming anti-tank missiles and projectiles. This system serves as a critical line of defense against the increasingly advanced threats encountered on modern battlefields. Beyond its strengthened protection suite, the T-90M is outfitted with 5th-generation digital communication systems, enabling secure, real-time information sharing between units, an essential advantage in today's fast-paced and fluid combat scenarios. Upgrades to the T-90M extend beyond firepower and protection. Russian engineers have placed renewed focus on crew ergonomics, introducing air conditioning systems to improve comfort during operations in extreme climates. Enhanced steering and transmission components provide a smoother and more responsive driving experience, further reinforcing the T-90M's position as a thoroughly modern and balanced main battle tank. Another notable feature of the T-90M is the integration of the advanced Arena-M active protection system. While similar in purpose to the Relict system, both designed to intercept incoming anti-tank missiles and various types of projectiles, Arena-M employs different operational mechanisms and capabilities. This dual-layer defense configuration adds an extra shield to the tank, further enhancing its survivability in high-threat environments. The delivery of T-90M tanks to the Russian military began in 2020, marking a key milestone in the nation's broader push to modernize its armored forces. The deployment of the T-90M in active combat zones, particularly in the context of ongoing hostilities, has captured the attention of military observers and defense analysts around the world. With its advanced systems and upgraded battlefield performance, the T-90M is expected to provide Russian forces with a significant tactical edge. Since the first T-90 main battle tank rolled off the production line in 1992, this formidable vehicle has undergone continuous development, resulting in multiple variants and a total production figure of approximately 1,000 units to date. The introduction of the T-90 marked a pivotal chapter in Russia's defense industry, as it represented one of the first major tank designs developed and manufactured in the post-Soviet era. As of 2022, the Russian armed forces were estimated to operate around 350 T-90A tanks, a significantly upgraded version of the original model. In addition, approximately 100 T-90M tanks, the most advanced and capable variant in the T-90 family, had also been inducted into active service, reflecting Russia's continued focus on equipping its armored forces with next-generation military technology. Beyond the tanks currently in operation, Russia maintains a sizable reserve with around 200 additional T-90 units kept in storage, ready for reactivation if needed. Moscow's strategic emphasis on the T-90 platform was further highlighted by an ambitious modernization plan unveiled in 2018. Under this initiative, the Russian military aims to upgrade its entire T-90 fleet to the T-90M standard by the year 2025, solidifying the platform's role as a central pillar of Russia's armored warfare capabilities moving forward.